PC case fans play an important role, especially when you are planning to do some resource-intensive tasks. They can prevent your computer from getting hot by pulling out the hot air. There are plenty of available options out there in the market with a cool RGB lighting effect that doesn't cost a lot. In today's video, we're going to showcase 5 of the cheapest PC case fans that you might want to check out before your next purchase.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the PC Cooler FX120, an RGB PC case fan that can provide an effective cooling solution while remaining as quiet as possible. This is a really affordable product that comes with 3 PC case fans in the box. Each of them is capable of producing 6 RGB LED lights to create a colorful case for you. The powerful 9 blades with a special thread design boasts a rotating speed of up to 1200 RPM, pushing up to 31.68 CFM of air to keep your system cool. In addition, 4 sound-absorbing cushions used around the fan help it to keep the noise rate below 18 weighted decibels. Moreover, this PC case fan adopts hydraulic bearing technology to improve the efficiency of the product by absorbing and conserving lubricating oil. Overall, if you are a gamer who likes to preserve the peace of your gaming atmosphere, then we highly recommend the PC Cooler FX120 for you. Next up at number 4, we have the Antec F12 Blue LED. And if you have liked the previous product, you will love it more as it comes at a cheaper price tag than the PC Cooler FX120. That being said, it also comes in 120mm in size, with 3 case fans in the box. The fans are well built and can last for years without any maintenance. It keeps the noise level as low as 21.5 weighted decibels when rotating at a maximum speed of 1000 RPM, which is really not bad considering its cheaper price tag. Besides, the airflow level is also admirable as you will get 30.5 CFM from this fan to keep your PC components cool. All in all, the Antec F12 Blue LED is an excellent affordable case fan that will suit entry-level gamers who are building their rig for the first time. Coming at number 3, we have the Performance Edition AF120 from Corsair, which is ideal for cooling down your PC parts because of its high rotation per minute. To give you an idea about its power, it can give up to 52 CFM of airflow at a peak 1400 RPM to keep you rest assured about keeping your components cool. Despite its high rotation speed, Corsair is able to keep the noise rate below 26 weighted decibels without sacrificing any performance. In terms of look, this PC case fan comes in 3 color variants which look cool and can match up your mood with its vivid LED lighting. In conclusion, if you are someone who doesn't want to compromise in the performance section, then the Corsair AF120 is an easy recommendation for you. At number 2, we have the Cooler Master SickleFlow, an ARGB PC case fan that can give you an excellent airflow with more versatility than a regular RGB fan. This 120mm ARGB fan is engineered for low noise operation without sacrificing performance and will enable you to play games with greater focus. Moreover, you can adjust the rotation speed between 650 to a maximum of 1800 RPM to balance noise and airflow. The most awesome thing about this fan is its sleek RGB effect with 6 customizable color modes to help you create a dynamic lighting environment. And if you want to take the matter in your hand, then this 4-pin PWM fan can be tweaked with Cooler Master software for a more personalized experience. In conclusion, if you prefer customizing your gaming peripherals precisely, then you will find the Cooler Master SickleFlow a perfect fit for you. Finally, at number 1, we have the NF-P12 Redux from Noctua, a high-performance fan with an immense airflow level to ensure that your gaming components are performing at their maximum. Design-wise, the entire frame of this PC case fan is coated with light gray, while the fan blades cast out a dark gray color gradient for a minimal look. This 120mm fan prioritizes cooling performance over anything else as it boasts a higher cubic feet per minute of 54.32, which will unlock the truest of overclocking potential. Apart from that, this fan is capable of rotating at up to 1300 RPM speed while producing low noise of only 19.8 weighted decibels. Best of all, it operates from a 4-pin connector, making it PWM enabled and easier to customize. All things considered, if performance is your top priority above everything else, then you should go for the Noctua NF-P12 Redux without giving it a second thought. So that was all about the top 5 cheap PC case fan. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.